What's up? What's up? How are you guys? Good morning, everyone, good evening, or good afternoon, wherever you are right now. So, today our topic is related subsea cables. We have a subsea cables in our project, and every project, usually in offshore, that we have a subsea cables connecting to different platforms or wellheads. All right. So that is important to connect our subsea cables to power up and to give supply and also some of the fiber optics that's combinations. This is optical fiber as well. That's combinations. Okay, that's subsea cable. So this is the arrival of our subsea cables. So this is the container. So you can see here, there's a lot of uh, containers. This is what is inside. That is a subsea cables. This we are here doing for the testing in this location. So we start from this side and then will continue up to this area. Okay. So now you can see this is our cable. This is a subsea cables. You can see the in the cables are here, and then this is the time we do the testing in this area. We will start the testing. So you can see this is the compartment area. You can see inside how the cable formation of our subsea cables. Now this is the one that you saw earlier that we have a preparation for the testing. Okay. So for those don't have any idea what is subsea cables, it's a big cable that's to connect to our link between platforms to platforms as well. That's why we lead in the seabed, and going to our other wellhead towers. So to supply our internet power connections, that is what we call this power supply. After that, we will connect our cable, and then we have a splitter box, or that's when I was designed in Qatar, we have a power GB. That's what we call this power GB. The power GB wherein the from the J tube, from the J tube we'll go straight to the J tube, and then we will install in the platform in the deck, and then we have a power GB, and then we will terminate splicing those cables in that particular portion, and then we will run towards our controls, supply, etc. Okay, going to our power switchgear room, LER room. All right, that is our connection. So subsea composite cable, that is power plus fiber optic cable. So let's say for example here 72.5 kb rated by 50 hertz, 3 core by 95 square mm plus 2 core by 96 fibers. So meaning you will connect, you will splice, okay, and they have a connector to connect all of these 96 fibers, uh, and you have a power cable with this a 3 core power supply. This is that's why we call that subsea composite cable. You can see the subsea composite cables. There's a that's a big, and they have a different line, what you call that's conductor. Okay, it's a huge cable that is 344,580 kilogram, and then that's we manufactured 2022 during the time, and then the length is 13,445. So these requirements, guys, this is during the engineering stage or feed activities, full feed engineering, and then do the survey or as part of the feed engineering. They are calculating based on the project requirements, and then that's the time we make an order, and then we do the technical bid, so TBE, and then the vendors supply, propose any different vendors to supply their subsea cables. It's up to the company which one is good and maybe cheaper. That's the important thing as well, but good quality. Okay. So now this is you can see the person here. As you can see the person and how big is that. Okay. That's very huge. See, that's the time we start the testing. So that is our fiber optic cable. Okay, that's the way how we do the testing. And then this is our test equipment. That is for our OTDR, and this is a splicing kit. This is all the test devices that we need, that requires during our testing. You can see here. Then this is the technician. This is a fiber optic technician, and this is the result. You can see the result. So is this the event? You can see 1550. The testing, by the way, guys, we have 1310 and then 1550. You can see any reflectance, losses, etc. And then when you check this, there is a pass, and then you can see any any failure, any losses, and during the testing. So that's the way how we do the testing. And now you have an idea. And for those you don't know what is subsea cable and then how it's big that subsea cable is. So now you can see some of that inputs and ideas about the subsea cables. Okay, and see you in my next video presentation, and continue sharing your ideas and sharing the learning. All right, comment and like and subscribe as well for those new in my channel.